everyone, it's James here from Supreme. I've recently been asked by a team member what is the most common ticket log within the Helpdesk. Mostly it's password resets for Windows or Office 365. We've seen many instances of when you would need to reset your Windows password. For example, if you feel someone has found out your password, your computer has been compromised, or if your password is about to expire. Not a simple fix, right? Well, I'm here to show you how.
Okay, so to reset your password, just press Ctrl Alt Delete and then click on Change Your Password. Once you've clicked on this, you'll be asked to enter your current password as a security measure. Then you'll be asked to enter your new password. Stay clear of the obvious passwords such as 12345 or password, as this can easily be guessed. It is best practice and recommended by our team to create a strong password, such as one with 8 to 10 characters long, with a combination of upper and lowercase characters, numbers, and even symbols. So just obviously enter your current password, and then enter your new password, and then confirm it. Then press enter or click on the little arrow next to the password box. And that's done. So just click on OK. Your Windows password has now been reset, so next time you start up your computer, lock your computer, or do anything else that requires your password, you'll just need to enter the new password that you've just set.
I hope this simple fix has helped you today. If you have any issues or simple fixes to resolve, comment down below and we will feature your issue on our next video. Thanks again for watching, bye for now. Helpdesk 101, Simple Fixes.